Hi guys, welcome to another video of Mathematics 2. In this case, we're going to see the problem number 2 about parallel lines cut by a transversal. And before we continue, just to remind you that this video belongs to a playlist. That playlist, you can find it in the description below. That playlist is going to cover the full course of Mathematics 2. So I recommend you to save that playlist as a favorite one, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, okay? So let's do this problem. In this case, we're gonna have the line R1, the line R2. Okay, one thing that I forgot to mention is that those two lines must be parallel, okay? And we need to find the variable x and the variable y. Okay, so we have this configuration over here. I have this angle over here, this one over here, and this one over here. So the first thing that I can think about is that, for example, I can draw the lighting. I hope you remember this drawing from the previous video. If you don't remember, I invite you to go to the previous video where this is explained. Okay, so I explained that this line, okay, all the angles that this line touches are going to be exactly the same. So for example, these two angles are the same. I'm going to raise that line and then I'm going to write that the angle 5y plus 2 equals the angle 2x minus 22, okay? The reason is because they are opposite by the vertex. I hope you're watching this, okay? They are opposite by the vertex. If you don't remember what this is, I recommend you to watch like two previous videos where I explain this. Opposite by the vertex. Opposite by the vertex. Okay, now, can I do something about this one? Well, and I'm gonna write that this is the equation, my equation number 1. Okay, so can I do something? Can I solve it? Well, I cannot do it because I have one equation, but I have two variables. So no, that's not possible unless I have another equation, okay? So for example, this is a linear equation. So again, if you're going to try to solve one, those variables must be the same. So unless you have this would be x and this would be x, or this would be y, you will be able to solve it. Okay. What about the other line? Let's see this one. I'm gonna draw the lighting. Okay, so if you see this angle 6x plus 18 equals this angle right here, and also this angle right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this angle and I'm gonna write it over here. Okay, so I'm going to raise this lighting because it's kind of confusing. Okay, so I'm gonna raise it and I'm gonna write that this angle is this one is 6x plus 18. Okay, the reason is because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And you will find that theory in the previous video. Okay, so can I do something about this? Well, not directly. I mean, there is another thing that I can do. Okay, this is 6x plus 18. Now, if you see over here, this angle is a flat angle, so is 180 degrees. So that means that this angle, 6x plus 18, plus this angle over here, 2x minus 22, the addition is 180. So that means that these two angles are supplementary. So I hope you're watching this because these two are two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are the one that they share a side over here. Okay, and I hope you're watching this line is a flat line. Okay, so that is going to be a straight line, sorry, and a straight line makes a flat angle that is 180 degrees. So that's the one that I'm going to write. So 6x plus 18 plus 2x minus 22 equals 180 degrees because they are adjacent, or they are supplementary, okay. And this is the equation number 2. Now if you see, I have a linear equation and just one variable, and that variable is x, so that means that I can solve it. Okay, so let's do it. 6x plus 2x is going to be 8x, plus positive 18 and negative 22 is going to be minus 4, equals 180 degrees. Okay, that negative 4, I'm going to move it to the other side with the opposite sign. So I'm going to have 8x equals 180 degrees plus 4. So this is going to be x equals 184 over 8. So x equals, how much is that? Well, let's get the calculator. 184 over 8. And that is 23. I'm going to circle this one. So now, in order to find the value of y, I'm going to substitute this value of x. I'm going to substitute in here. So this one will be 2 times 23. Okay, so how much is that? It's going to be 46. Okay, so that 2x equals 46, and that equation I'm just going to write it over here, but with the value of 2x already substituted. Okay, so it's going to be 5y plus 2 equals 2x, but I already found the value, and is 46 minus 22. Okay, so 5y equals, this positive 2 moves to the other side as negative 2, and 46 minus 22 equals 24. So this one is 24 minus 2. So y equals, this 5 goes dividing to the other side, and it's going to be 22 over 5. So how much is that? Y equals 22 over 5 equals 4.4. 4.4. And that will be the answer for this example. Okay, so well, I hope everything was clear. If there is something that you didn't understand, I invite you to watch the video again, subscribe to the channel, and save this playlist as favorite one, because I will be uploading videos, and well, not every day, but maybe every 2 days or something like that. Okay, so if you got any questions, please go to the comment section below. Okay, so I hope I see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.